Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we completed 13.3 no children. So represent the information in bar graph we completed. So now here given one question children, read this. What do you observe from the bar graph? Is there any activity you should increase or decrease in duration? Okay, here you represented the daily activities in bar graph no children, like for lunch 1 hour, for playing 2 hours, for study 3 hours, for dinner 1 hour, and for sleep 8 hours now. So in these activities, if any activity you want to decrease or increase your time duration children, so see here you spend 3 hours only for study now. So if you want to increase your study time, so okay, in these 5 activities what you want to increase and what you want to decrease, here you have to write children. So for example, I want to increase my studies time, so that's why here I written yes, I will increase my study time. So what you want to increase, here you have to write. What you want to increase, here you have to write children. Next, look at the picture. Draw a bar graph to show objects that stay in the ocean for more than 100 years. Choose a suitable scale. Okay, here what we have to do children? Here you have to represent data with using bar graph. So see, draw a bar graph to show objects that stay in the ocean for more than 100 years. Okay, here you have to represent the object. What are the objects that stay more than 100 years? So first here what are the objects here given? Read everyone children. Newspaper, paper towel, paper cup, aluminum cans, disposable diaper, cardboard box, plastic grocery bag, plastic bottle, cotton rope. Okay, here given more objects children, but in that you have to observe what are the objects that stay more than 100 years. Okay, what are the objects that can stay more than 100? So if you observe aluminum cans, it is 200, so it is more than 100 no children. And disposable diaper 450, it is also more than 100. And plastic bottle also more than 100, means you have to represent bar graph with using these 3 objects. Okay, we have represent only for more than 100 years no children. So these 3 only can stay. These are the object that stay only more than 100 years no. So here you have to represent these 3 with using bar graph children. So here given space no. So first write title. So can anyone think suitable title for these children? So what you have to write title here? So write life of objects in ocean. So write like this, life of objects in ocean. Okay, so this is the title of this bar graph. Now here write categories children. So we know that these are horizontal lines and these are vertical lines. Okay, these are horizontal lines and these are vertical lines. So now write the categories. Okay, so in vertical line you have to write the names of the object. You have to write the names of the object. Okay, names of the object. So what are the objects here given children? And here write number of years. So okay children, so here in horizontal line you have to write the names of the object. So here only 3 object is there no children. Okay, these 3 objects that stay more than 100 years no. So you have to write only these 3. So what is that children? Aluminum cans, disposable diaper and plastic bottle. You have to write these. Okay children, so write these 3 items. Now here in vertical lines years children. So now and after that children, here you have to take suitable scale. Okay, choose a suitable scale. So now how we have to take scale children? So think here aluminum cans 200 years and disposable diaper 450 years and plastic bottle 400. So if you take 1 unit is equal to 100 years means we can represent 450 disposable diaper. Is it possible, children? No. So here you have to take scale. 1 unit is equal to 50 years. Okay. If you take 100 means how you have represent disposable diaper? It is not possible. No. So that's why, children, you have to take 1 unit is equal to 50 years. Okay, have to take scale. 1 unit is equal to 50 years. Okay, children, so here I am taking, so here from here onwards I will start. Okay, it is 0 and 50, 100. Okay, children, you have to take the scale like this. 1 unit is equal to 50 years now. So 0, 50, 100, 500, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So like that you have to take scale, children. Next, now represent, children, aluminum cans. 4 aluminum cans 200 years now, children. So now we have to represent. So this is 0 now. So from here you have to start. So where the 200? Yes, it is 200. Okay, it is 200. You have to represent with using bars. Okay. Okay, children, aluminum cans 200 now. So you have to represent bar like this. Next, disposable diaper 450 years. Okay, you have to check. Here you have to represent, children. This is only 0 now. Here you have to start. So disposable diaper, where the 450, children? Yes, it is 450. So here you have to draw the bars. Okay, children. So disposable diaper 450 years now. So you have to represent like this. Next, plastic bottle 400 years. Now represent 400 years, children. Okay, you have to draw a bar graph of 400 years. So where the 400? So here it is 400 now. So draw bar graph of 400 years. Okay, children. So like this you have to represent. So aluminum cans 200 and disposable diaper 450 and plastic bottle 400 years. Okay, like that you have to represent. Next, here given 3 blanks, children. Write the title and scale for the bar graph. So here we wrote already, no, children, title. So here write scale. So here scale 1 unit is equal to how many years we taken, children? 1 unit is equal to 50 years. No, so write this. Next, which object has the maximum life in ocean? So which object has maximum life, children? Disposable diaper. So write disposable diaper. Okay, write here disposable diaper. Next, which object remain in the ocean for less than a year? Okay, here you have to write which object remain in the ocean for less than 1 year. So see here, children, paper towel 2 to 4 weeks. So it is less than 1 year now. So write this. And newspaper also 6 weeks. So it is also less than 1 year. Next, cardboard box, apple core and cotton rope. Okay, you have to write these 5, children. Okay, paper towel, newspaper, apple core, cardboard box and cotton rope. So write these 5 in this blank. Okay, children, you have to represent the information like this. Okay, I think you all clear about this class, children. So here given information, you have to draw the bar graph. The object that can stay more than 100 years. Okay, what are the objects that stay more than 100 years? You have to draw the bar graph. Okay, so this is about today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.